Hi, I'm Jim at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. It just came in. As you'll see, this is in the light blue color exterior. It does have the full solid fiberglass hardtop up top. Coming around back, it is powered with a Mercury 250 V8. Very clean, has the white color instead of the black. Also has your 10-foot power pole on it. Has the trim tabs on the back as well. And let's go up inside, let's take a look and I'll show you the interior. Up here in the helm area, you have a very nice laid out cockpit, 12-inch Simrad in-dash chart plotter, fish finder, VHF radio, has your stereo system here. You have a trim indicator for your trim tabs, nice stainless steel steering wheel. This has got the bolster seats for your leaning posts with your live well built underneath as well. Moving back here in the back, you have two jump seats that you can flip up or push down. Gives you a very nice casting platform in the rear. More rod holders and cup holders back here as well. Moving up into the front of the boat, you've got these removable cushions that again gives you a very nice casting platform. It does have the plug-in for your trolling motor already integrated into the bow. Grab handles are nice and flush with your cap here so that they're not sticking up. Underneath this seat here gives you a ton of storage. It also has the shade that is not on the boat, but it does come with the forward shade that attaches to the hardtop to give the passengers up here more shade in those hot summer days. If you want to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim at 704-892-9676.